programs. And I'd like to throw it over to you, Bo, and give us an example of a program you'd like to highlight where you're using this capability and it's enhancing your operating environment.
Yeah, I'll tell you about the initiative that I'm most interested in. We are collaborating with 5 statistical agencies from the United Nations, and we're using some open source software called PyGrid. And so this initiative falls under what's called privacy enhancing technologies. That's kind of the domain it falls into. And so the promise of the initiative is to figure out a way to empower data and maintain the privacy of the data, right? And so the concept is that the participating nations, statistical agencies, can send queries and questions and other research type activities to each other's data sets and get really valuable answers without compromising that data set, right? So truly empowering the data without, what we do today, work out agreements, and we have to share data with folks, and that's always a slippery slope, especially when there's no trust. And so how Zero Trust is helping us is, one, there is no trust here. This is a multinational collaboration, and so you're talking host nation to host nation, so you don't have the same baseline of trust that I would have if I were working with Scott at CBP. We're both federal agencies. We have that foundation that doesn't exist here. So it's true zero trust. And so we're able to, if we were taking a traditional approach, we would be doing the firewall and the VPN and all these types of things.
Right.
With a zero trust approach, we're able to use policies and attributes to maintain the granular control that we need, so that we can be very surgical with what activities and actions are allowed, right? So it's really a game changer for an initiative like this. And we're still in the pilot phase. We're still using public data, for example. So it hasn't gotten to the point where we've thought about using private data yet, but we're hoping to get to that point soon.
Wow.